So kindly type one if you hear me clearly. Thank you so much for your responses. So again, welcome TBSA Batch 16. We are so excited to see you tonight. I hope kayo rin po excited kayo na nakasama kami tonight. So finally, this is it. We will gonna start our TBSA journey. Type 2 if you are ready to proceed. Thank you so much. Right. So again, welcome to the Bookkeeper Secret Academy. By the way, hindi na po siya The Shepherd Virtual Accountants. That's for the free. So, ang pinaka-name po ng ating academy is the Bookkeeper Secret Academy. So again, welcome Batch 16, Secret Keepers. We call ourselves Secret Keepers. So to proceed, let's check our disclaimer. So it says here the content provided in this online course is for informational and educational purposes only. Well, TBSA, the creator of this course, has seen many success stories. We make no representations or warranties. So this course is here to guide and educate you based on what worked for others. We've seen many students succeed, and we truly believe in what we teach. Actually, by the way, hindi pala ako nagpakilala, masyado akong excited tonight. So by the way, my name is Rufa. I'm part of TBSA team. But just to let you know, I was also a student sa loob ni TBSA and I came from batch 7. So medyo malayo na po, from 7 to 16. So going back to our topic, so disclaimer lang, uh, we've seen many students succeed using TBSA masterclass strategies, and we truly believe in what we teach. But everyone's journey is different. We want to emphasize that po na it is different, and results will depend on your own effort, timing, and circumstances. So while we can promise specific outcomes, we're here to support you every step of the way. Ayan, type 3. If ready ka na suportahan ka namin. Thank you so much. So, another disclaimer. So, by enrolling in and using this course, you acknowledge and agree to the following. So, isa-isahin po natin. Number 1 is personal responsibility. You assume full responsibility for any actions you take based on the information provided in this course. The course creator won't be liable for any damages or losses that result from your use of this content. Number 2, no guarantees. The creator of this course makes no guarantees regarding the results you will achieve from applying the strategies, concepts, or techniques discussed. Individual results may vary based on various factors, including, but not limited to your background, dedication, motivation, and commitment. And then number 3, external links. We have external links inside the course. So the course may contain links to the third-party websites or resources. Number 4, copyright. All course materials, including but not limited to text, graphics, images, and videos, are the property of TBSA and are protected by copyright law, and the unauthorized use, distribution, or reproduction of these materials is strictly prohibited. And then the last, updates and changes. The creator reserves the right to update, change, or replace any part of this course content without prior notice. You should check for updates and changes regularly. So before you dive in into this course, here are a few things we want you to know just to set expectations and keep everything clear. So number 1, you're in control. If hindi pa po kayo naka-open your cameras, mas maganda po na naka-open ang inyong cameras. And just tell yourself, you're in control. I am in control. So everything you learn here is meant to help and guide you, but how you use it is completely up to you. So any decisions or actions you take based on this course are your personal responsibility. We're here to support, but we can't held accountable for any losses or issues that may happen. So number two, na to set expectations lamang po, no one size fits all results. So we've seen so many students strive after going through this course, and we believe in your potential too. But everyone's journey is different. Your results will depend on your own effort, background, and consistency. We cannot guarantee anything specific, but we're cheering for you all the way. Ayan. So next expectation, helpful resources from other sites. Sometimes we will share links to tools or websites we think can help you. Just a heads up, these are third-party resources and we don't have control over what they do or say. So for example po, Canva, QBO, Zero. So yan. Next naman, please respect our work. All the lessons, videos, and materials in this course are created with love and hard work by TBSA. They are protected by copyright, so please do not copy or share them without permission. And the last expectation, we keep improving. We're always working on making the course better. That means some parts might be updated or changed anytime. We encourage you to check in regularly so you're always learning from the latest content. So, later, di-discuss ko bakit week 1 lang yung nandun, bakit week 2 lang. But before that, sige, tingnan ko po kung nandyan kayo. Please type 4. If okay po ba ang expectations natin sa loob ni TBSA? Yeah, thank you so much. Parang 4 pa lang po yung nag-respond. Ayan, dumadami na. Salamat po ng marami sa pakikinig. Ayan. So next slide naman po. Next topic is about our welcome email. Ayan, welcome email. So kung makikita nyo po, dalawa yung pinadala naming email. So number 1 is the payment confirmation, TBSA Masterclass course. And yung number 2 naman is welcome to TBSA Masterclass Batch 16. Let's get started. So, nasa loob po nun, so yung about sa payment, how much po yung binayaran nyo. And then, dun naman sa number 2 na email is yung steps kung paano po kayo, paano nyo po ma-access yung course one step at a time. Ayan. Sige po, type 5. If nakapag-access na po kayo ng student portal. We call it student portal. Yan, marami na. Sige. Type 6 if hindi mo pa nakita yung email na yon para matulungan ka namin. At sana walang mag-6 at sana smooth kayong nakapasok. So meron pa 3, 4. Ito po ba ay hindi pa po kayo nakapasok sa student portal? So if ever na hindi pa kayo nakapasok sa student portal, wait nyo lang po. Later on, bibigyan ka namin ng instructions kung paano nyo po ma-access. Okay, konting housekeeping, please engage by responding in the chat section to our questions. Prepare your pen and notebook. So, emphasize ko lang po ito, prepare your pen and notebook kasi hindi po porket online class is hindi na kayo magja-jot down notes. I don't know how you jot down notes. You can use your laptop, your iPad, or your phones. Pero much better nakapag-jot down po kayo ng notes para wala po kayong nakakalimutan. And then the last, for any questions, just type them in the comment section and we will answer them after. Ayan. Sige po, type 7 if clear ang ating housekeeping rules. Thank you so much. So, next naman is our vision. Our vision is to establish a community of online bookkeepers and accountants earning a stable income from the comforts of their home or anywhere they are in the world using just their laptop or computers and internet connection. So, di ko na po papahabain yung vision kasi self-explanation na po siya na earning a stable income from the comforts of our home. Ang next naman po niyan, so kung may vision, meron ding mission. So, what's TBSA mission? To help Pinoys Ayan, praise God for TBSA 'no, kasi hindi Americans, hindi Arabic people, hindi British, pero Pinoy. Ayan, so to help Pinoy start their own online bookkeeping business. So take note, emphasize ko po 'yon, online bookkeeping business, hindi lang po, um, ah ano ba, hindi lang po simpleng, nagtatrabaho lang po tayo sa ating mga clients, pero ang goal po talaga ni TBSA ay magkaroon kayo ng online bookkeeping business. So to help Pinoy start their online bookkeeping business, by giving them step-by-step guidance, mentoring, and tools to become successful in building a thriving bookkeeping business without worrying about expenses was already enough to give you that coveted freedom and peace of mind. Gusto ko yun, freedom and peace of mind. Please type 8 if TBSA mission is clear with you. Wala po akong nakikitang nag-type ng 8. I don't know po kung nandiyan pa kayo. Ayan. Wala po ba ako? Ayan, thank you so much. Sige po. So next naman, ayan, why choosing to participate in TBSA paid mentorship is a wise move. So, nandito po, we assist you in launching your career development. We aid in goal clarification and smart goal setting. Gusto ko yun 'no, smart goal setting. Sana kayo din, yan. Number 3, we support and keep you responsible for achieving your objectives. Number 4, we support you in honoring your leadership abilities. We support you. Number 5, we support you in gaining self-assurance and problem-solving skills. Number 6, we assist you in building your network and gaining access to new opportunities. And the last, we provide crucial advice and help for no extra charge. Emphasize natin po yung no extra charge. Lahat po ng iti-discuss namin tonight, lahat po yan ay kasama na sa loob ng TBSA Masterclass from beginning until the end na magkaroon po kayo ng clients after clients. Ayan. So please type 9. About po sa attendance later po. Actually, wala po tayong attendance tonight. Ayan. Thank you so much. So next naman, here are the things you can expect inside. So ano ba yung mga nasa loob ni TBSA Masterclass? Alright. So kung makikita nyo, nilagyan po namin ng chart para po hindi po kayo nalilito. So that's TBSA. This program is TBSA Masterclass. Ayan. So ulitin ko lamang po, ang pangalan ng ating academy is the Bookkeeper Secret Academy Masterclass. Yung Masterclass po, yun ang program. Yun ang program name sa loob ni TBSA. So if you have TBSA Masterclass, you will get a course access, community and accountability, learning materials or learning sessions after the course access. We have graduation inside, internship, or job recommendation. So, isa-isahin po natin para po mas malinaw po sa inyo. So, under course access, we have what we call Discord. It's our official communication platform. So, sa mga nahihirapan pa sa Discord, wag po kayong mag-alala. Learning curve po natin yan. Parang katulad po ng kung paano nyo nalaman or natutuhan kung paano magkaroon ng Messenger or Facebook. Parang ganun lamang po si Discord, pero may sarili siyang own way na pag-organize ng mga communication. So, meron tayong tinatawag na channels sa loob. So later on, we will have a separate discussion or separate walkthrough kung paano nyo po ito magagamit. So don't worry. Ayan. So first, you have Discord official communication platform. The second one is student portal. So dun po nakalagay lahat ng um, learning materials natin. And if may nagtatanong, nasan po yung recording, nasa loob lang po siya ng student portal. And please take note, all sessions are recorded. Ayan. Yun yung kagandahan sa loob ni TBSA. Anytime pwede mong mapanood, anytime pwede kang makinig, anytime pwede mong pag-aralan. So next naman is TBSA FB group. Ay, hindi po mawawala yung FB group. Pero lahat po dyan ay updated po yung mga contents na yan and yung mga updates nilalagay po namin dyan. So next naman is yung learning. So paano ba, Miss Rufa, ang journey sa loob ni TBSA? So kung makikita nyo, I don't know kung nakita nyo sa aming marketing, marketing promotional materials, na ito po ay 1-year access. Pero, kiklear ko lamang po yun, from week 1 to week 8, tuturuan po kayo from beginner level hanggang kung paano kayo magkaroon ng client. So, ibig po sabihin nun, intensive training sa loob from week 1 to week 8. And then, we understand na some of us, actually, nung nag-start po ako, I have a full-time work as well, and nasa Qatar po ako nun. So, we understand na hindi lahat makakasabay dito sa week 1 to week 8. Kaya po, blessed tayo kasi meron tayong 1-year access na anytime pwede nyo pong mapanood or ma-access yung ating mga learning materials. Pero eto po yon, disclaimer, no? Kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng client agad-agad, sumunod po kayo sa phasing, which is week 1 to week 8. Pero after that, hindi natatapos hanggang 8 weeks. After ng 8 weeks, may tinatawag tayong post-masterclass sessions. Iba-ibang trainings po ito na kailangan nyo din as an online bookkeeper. And the last, we have TBSA Booster. So, quick story. Naalala niyo po ng pandemic. After po ng vaccine, may tinatawag na booster shots. So, sa loob ng TBSA, may tinatawag din kaming TBSA Booster to support you sa mga specific trainings na meron tayo. So, we have QuickBooks Online, we have Xero, we have Client Getting Strategies, and we have Basic Accounting. Kailangan nyo lang pong pumunta sa mga classes na yon para mas matuto po kayo. So next naman, community and accountability. So we call ourselves here as one family. Ayan. And sa loob ng TBSA, magkakaroon po kayo ng accountability groups. Ito po yung parang small unit na family sa loob. So later po, i-discuss ko kung ano po ba ito. Ayan. So next naman, after nyan is may graduation po tayo. And the last, internship or job recommendation. Pero hindi po namin nalagay dito, you don't need to wait for internship or for job recommendation because so doon pa lang sa week 1 and week 8, matututo na po kayo kung paano nyo gawin on your own. Pero still, yes, we support you. Kaya po may internship and job recommendation po dyan. So about the internship, we know many of you are excited for TBSA internship opportunity. And that's a good thing. But we want to set the right expectations. The internship has eligibility criteria. And because of the strong interest, we currently have a long wait list. Ayan. Gusto ko pong i-clear yon na meron tayong long wait list for the internship. But this means not everyone will be accommodated right away. We want to be honest with you. Please don't rely too much on this as your main goal after the course. Yun nga po, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Dun sa week 1 to week 8, you can chase on your own. Meron po kami mga naging students, isang client, nakakuha siya, another client the next month. So, nasa sa inyo po yan. Yan. And then, however, when there's a need, we do review and pull from the list time to time. So, just focus on doing your best, showing up, and learning all you can. And those are the things that you can really open doors for you, whether through the internship or other opportunities. We believe in your potential with or without the internship. All right, so please type 10 if clear po ang nasa loob ni TBSA. Yeah, thank you so much. Sige po, next. Ito po yung TBSA Booster Room. So each level of skill, we have an own study space. From zero knowledge, katulad po nung sinabi namin from our post, social media post na wala po akong degree, hindi po ako accounting graduate, bago po ito sa akin. So, wag po kayong mag-alala kasi part po talaga siya, natuturuan po namin kayo from zero knowledge to experience to intermediate with knowledge and working experience. Honestly, I came from an engineering industry. Chemical engineer po ako by profession. Pero nakita ko po itong work from home and dito lang din po ako natuto sa loob ni TBSA ng accounting and bookkeeping. So, yes. Para sa mga nag-worry at nag-overthink, yes, we teach you from zero knowledge to to experience an intermediate level. Alright? So next naman, we will provide the schedule for each study room. The schedule will be posted in the Facebook group and Discord. And the last, you can select the rooms you want to join. So may apat po ako na binanggit. So number 1 is basic accounting. You can attend there kapag po hindi kayo talaga from bookkeeping or accounting graduate. Ayan, kung sa tingin nyo po, nasa industry na kayo pero nakalimutan nyo, pwede pong i-refresh ang inyong um, knowledge or memory. Ayan. So, they have basic accounting, we have Zero, QuickBooks, and client getting. So, kapag in-apply niyo po yan lahat at pinag-aralan, talaga pong matututo po kayo. But all you have to do is to show up and attend. So, quick ano lang po for the TBSA Booster Room Guide. So, we have novice. Nasa part ng novice is yung mga beginners, refreshers, and no accounting or bookkeeping experience. For fair naman, baka po CPA na kayo or an accounting graduate and merong isa hanggang dalawang clients. And then for upper, which is level 3 yon, for seasoned bookkeepers and accountants with 3 to 4 clients starting to build your own agency. And for level 4, that's advanced for agency owners with more than 5 clients. So kung makikita nyo, naka-specify po kung nasa ang level kayo, kung level 1 ka ba, 2, 3, or 4. Ayan. So hanapin nyo lang po and i-classify nyo kung nasan kayo. And then, pero ito po, ang TBSA Booster Rooms is pagkatapos na ng week 1 to week 8. So, hindi po siya sabay-sabay. Yan. So, please type booster. Kung naintindihan niyo po ang ating mga TBSA Booster Rooms guide. Thank you so much. So, next naman, we have the accountability groups. Ito po ay small unit family sa loob ni TBSA. And then, lagi ko po itong dinidiscuss na parang ito po yung uuwian nyo lagi, every week. So, meron din po itong sessions na 8 sessions kasabay ng live coaching sessions. So, magkasabay po yung live coaching sessions ng Saturday 7 p.m. sa accountability groups. So, maipopost po kami na schedule for accountability groups. All you have to do is to sign up and of course, attend. Ayan. And then sa loob po ng groups, meron po kaming tinatawag na team leaders and sila po yung magde-discuss sa inyo or magtuturo or mag-guide sa inyo sa loob. And please take note, yung team leaders po natin na yon ay mga may client na, okay? I-emphasize ko talaga yon, may client na nasa loob ni TBSA at na-experience si TBSA. So, they are well-versed ayan, sa loob kung paano gumana yung system ni TBSA. And hindi lang yung live coaching sessions kayo matututo, pero matututo din kayo sa totoong na-experience ng inyong mga team leaders. So, each week may topic sila na prepare. So, ibang topic yon. Kaya, I really encourage you to join accountability groups. Ayan. So, next naman, we have the special training. Praise God, no, for special training kasi dati nung kami wala pa to. Kaya po blessed na blessed kayo sa loob. So, we have make tech planning and education part of everyone's job. And we want to train in multiple basic tech and non-tech skills so all can speak each other's language. And of course, yung enhanced communication skills. So we have English instructor or meron tayong mga recorded videos for communication skills. So later on, i-unlock namin siya sa loob ni Student Portal and siguro yung isa sa mga pakiusap namin sa loob, talagang gamitin niyo po siya at i-consume. Ayan. So next naman, we have TBSA t-shirt. Actually, I wear my t-shirt tonight. So, eto po siya. Ayan. So, TBSA t-shirt and classified files. So, for fully paid TBSA members, emphasize ko lang po, no, para lang po ito sa fully paid. Ayan. Pero wag po kayong mag-alala dun sa mga naka-installment kasi once na na-fully paid nyo na po ang inyong enrollment fee, magkakaroon din po kayo ng t-shirt. So, we will ship a TBSA t-shirt and hack files. Yung hack files na po is ano na po siya, e-file, e-PDF, pwede nyo na pong i-download sa PDF and then download. And make sure to fill out the spreadsheet for shirt size and address. Expect them 45 to 60 days from the time classes start. Nandun po yan sa loob ng student portal. So, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Kung saan nyo po yan mahanap, dapat po from week 0 to week 1, natapos nyo na po siya, nasa loob po siya ng student portal. And of course, reminder ko lang dito about sa address. Huwag po yung pinaka-general. As much as possible, be specific. So for example po, unit PH27, lagay niyo po yung barangay or yung building or whatever kasi po if hindi exact yung address, hindi po magpo-push through yung shipping. So, ayun po, gentle reminder to really be specific sa address and sa phone number. And I just want to let you know, this is free. Ayan, this is free. Kasama na po siya sa inyong binayarang tuition fee, enrollment fee. So wala po siyang bayad, this is free, and pati po yung shipping, wala po kayong babayaran. All you have to do is to receive the shirt. Ayan, maraming natuwa sa shirt. So type shirt, if clear at nandyan pa po kayong lahat. Ayan, so next naman, ang ating weekly live training topic. So, hindi ko na po iisa-isahin, pero nandito po ang sinasabi ko kanina na week 1 to week 8. And gentle reminder lang guys, we really expect na umattend po kayo. Iba po yung, kung makikita nyo po, meron tayong recorded, pero I really encourage you to join yung weekly live training topics sa loob weekly live training every Saturday via Zoom 7 p.m. Kasi po doon niyo po makikita or doon niyo po maa-ask ang mga mentors natin or ang ating mga coaches live. Ayan. So yun po yung pagkakaiba ng live versus recorded. But still, you can ask naman pa rin yung mga team recorded dyan, team recording. Ako nung nag-start ako, team recording din ako, wag po kayong mag-alala. Dahil magkaiba po yung time zone. We totally understand that. And don't worry, if you have questions, you can still post it inside Discord. Okay? So, gusto kong talagang mag-commit kayo to attend weekly live training topics. Ayan. So, next naman, ang TBSA, Memorandum of Agreement. Yan. So, Sir Jonathan, later on, sasagutin namin itong questions mo. Yan. So, what is TBSA Memorandum of Agreement? So, TBSA MOA is a formal agreement between us and you as a student. It outlines the terms and conditions of your enrollment so everyone is clear on expectation and responsibilities from the start. So here's what this usually covers in simple terms. So number 1, commitment to learning. Number 2, respect for course content. Number 3, no refund policy. So, dati po may money back guarantee kami, pero tinanggal po namin siya because we know Ayan, actually lahat kami naka-experience na TBSA strategy works. So, no refund policy po kami for TBSA, just in case na nagtatanong po kayo kung may refund. And then professional conduct, ayan, let's be professional here sa loob ni TBSA. Also, results disclaimer. So magkakaiba po tayo ng results. Hindi po yung results ko is results nyo. So magkakaiba po tayo ng facing. And I really believe every story is unique. Ayan. So ayun, results disclaimer. Of course, and the last yung data privacy. Ayan. So, ulitin ko lamang po, once we caught you na nag-share ng file or ng video sa loob ni TBSA, hindi po talaga siya pwede. Ayan. So, any personal info you share with us will be kept confidential and used only for the purpose of supporting your learning journey. So, disclaimer lamang din, may mga times may makikita kayo sa loob ng student portal na video, I think video ni Miss Alfie or ni Miss Shari talking to the clients. So, ayun, yun ang isa sa mga example na hindi talaga natin kailangan, hindi natin siya pwedeng ilabas, nandun lamang siya dahil nag-aaral po tayo kung paano natin ginagawa ito. Yan. So next naman, we have yan, TBSA internship. Ayan. So, I think nandito sa ano yung criteria. So we know you're excited about TBSA internship opportunity and that's a good thing but you want to set the right expectations. So basahin nyo lamang po, basahin natin ng konti yung eligibility criteria. Ayan po, please stay muted guys. Ayan. So, ito ba yung mga eligibility criteria? So, currently, as student, TBSA students, at natapos po ang 8 weeks training. Willing to be trained, can communicate in English, Xero certified or QuickBooks Pro Advisor certified, has an optimized profile, and you are aware for the upcoming 2 weeks you will be part of the TBSA internship program. Your breakthrough case study will be this. After 2 weeks, we ask the client to provide feedback or testimonies. Alright, so ito po ang nasa loob ni TBSA internship. Alright, so please type 11 if that is clear with you about TBSA internship. So for example, ito po ang picture ng ating TBSA interns with general meeting with one of our partner companies. So may partner company din po kami. And yeah, we will post more informations about this soon. Ayan, kung meron man. At kung magkakaroon man. Ayan. So, ayan. So next is our student portal. Sige po, please type SP kung nakita mo na itong itong portal na to. Yeah, thank you so much. Mas marami na nakita niyo na po. Ayan. Kung mapapansin niyo, disclaimer lang din ulit. Kung mapapansin niyo, Miss Rufa, bakit yung week 1 to week 2 pa lang week 0 to week 1 pa lang yung nakikita ko? Yes, yun lang po yung muna yung nakikita niyo. You know why? Because through the years, yun nga po, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, na TBSA batch 16, yan. So, merong 15, 14, 13, 12, and minomonitor po namin kung talagang kinukonsume nila yung lessons. So, para hindi po kayo ma-overwhelm, yan. Medyo, gas-gas na to sa ating vocabulary, overwhelm, pressure, yan, andyan na yan lahat. So, para po maiwasan natin ang ma-pressure kayo ng sobra at ma-overwhelm kayo ng sobra, we will do it step by step. So, for now, i-consume nyo po yung week 0 to week 1. Later on, tonight, i-unlock na po namin yung week 2. So, kung gusto nyo po talaga sumunod sa facing, pwede po kayong sumunod at makonsume na po yung lahat. And for the bonus lessons, yes, hindi nyo pa po siya makikita dahil after nyo po matapos yung week 1 to week 8, saka nyo po makikita si bonus lessons. Ayan. So, disclaimer lamang din for, alam ko po, nagkakaroon kayo ng ibang issues. So, any issues with access, email us at tbsa@shepherdaccountingsolutions.com. Kapag naman po about sa payment, any issues with payment, email us at finance@shepherdaccountingsolutions.com. And ibo-bookmark niyo po yung access. Yan, ibo-bookmark niyo po yung access. Balik lamang po kayo doon sa email na sinend namin sa email number 2. Yan. So next naman, we have yan, exclusive private Facebook group. Kanina may mga nagtatanong about sa TBSA. So magkaiba po, no? Magkaiba si TBSA at si TSBOB. Okay? Si TSBOB ay free, si TBSA ay paid. So about TBSA Masterclass, please refrain from messaging TSBOB. Dito na po kayo magbe-message sa The Bookkeeper's Secret Academy. Ayan. So type TBSA if clear. Ayan, Miss Maria Teres, paki-message lang po kami kung ano po ang inyong concerns. Ayan. So next naman, ayan, communication portal. Ito nga po yung tinatawag naming Discord. I know some of you ay nakapasok na. So please type Discord if nakapasok ka na. If hindi pa, ayan, mag-message po kayo via email. We will really glad to support you in every way we can para po sa Discord natin. Ayan, thank you so much. That's the end. That's the end of my slides. So I will call on the next one. I think that is Miss Shari or Miss Alfie. So please type 12 if you're ready for more learning or informations about masterclass. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Alright, sige. Thank you so much, Ms. Rupa. I love the energy. So, kailangan pantayan ko yun. Ayan, sige po. Thank you. Alright, sige. Okay, parang excited din ang ating mga attendees for tonight. So, I love the energy. Hintayin natin yan. So, I think nakakain na. So, kung hindi pa, pwede naman po kayong mag-snacks habang nasa welcome call. Alright, so good evening everyone. My name is Shari Ann Pineda and I am here to continue the discussion about our welcome. And so again, I just want to welcome you sa ating TBSA Batch 16. Grabe! Totoo yung sabi ni Rupa. Hindi na nga nagsasalita siya. Sabi ko, wow, 16 na pala. Ang bilis lang. So Grace, all glory to God. So nandito pa kami kasi gusto ni Lord na patuloy pa namin i-continue itong mission namin. Hopefully, magtagal pa sa mga susunod pang taon. Alright, sige. Okay. Sa mga may concerns, doon sa mga diniscuss ni Ms. Rupa, nandiyan po sila. You can chat them or email them para po ma-assist kayo. Let's share ko lang yung screen. Okay. If you can see my screen, please type number 13. Ayan, good evening po. Ayan, Ms. Bernadette. Okay. Okay. Ayan, excited na ako. So, for the second part, ayan, I'll be discussing the roadmap. Ayan, so, inside TBSA, sabi nga ni Rupa kanina, we have 1 year access. So, inside TBSA, expect that there are 2 phases na mangyayari sa loob ng isang taon. Phase 1 will be from newbie to thriving virtual bookkeeper. Ito nga po yung week 1 to week 8 natin. So, yun lang. Let's just discuss yung mangyayari for week 1 to week 8. So, week 1, ito yung pagdidiscuss natin about basic accounting. I mean, not actually basic accounting. It's about virtual bookkeeping. So basically, we're gonna set goals about your virtual bookkeeping journey. And then, week 2, we're gonna discuss about QuickBooks Online Pro and Bookkeeping 101. Then for week 3, it's all about zero mastery and process building. And then week 4, it's all about client acquisition workflow. So, huwag kayong matakot kung halimbawa dinidiscuss na pero hindi mo pa rin siya gets. Why? Again, meron tayong booster after week 1 to week 8. Okay? And then, kung sa tingin nyo, yung mga topics na dinidiscuss every week is medyo parang basic sa'yo kasi nga, pang level 2 ka na or level 3, okay lang naman. Pwede mong i-skip yun. Pwede kang what do you call this? Pwede kang mag-skip ng mga lesson. Pwede mong i-complete dun sa student portal. And then, proceed dun sa mga topics na mas kailangan nila. Okay? Pero yun lang, like I said, may timing. May timing na ina-unlock namin yung mga lessons. Ay ba? Tinitingnan kasi namin, baka mas effective to yung ganito ngayon. Kasi nung nilabas namin lahat ng mga content, talagang na-overwhelm yung mga students. Ang nangyari, nag-procrastinate, hinayaan lang, pinatagal, hanggang tumating yung point na na-expire na yung access, hindi pa nila nabuksan. Okay? So ito, medyo ito-challenge lang namin yung new batch. Natatapusin natin siyang sabay-sabay every week. Okay? Sige na. Next. Okay, ano pa yung mangyayari sa week 5? For week 5, there will be communication. Okay, communication and client management. Week 6, we're gonna discuss diagnosing clients, books, and AI tools and automation. Week 7, we're gonna discuss grow your business. And week 8, it's about building your routine and scaling up. Again, emphasize ko lang, uulit-ulitin tong mga topics na to for the whole year. Okay? Para mas ma-digest, mas maintindihan mo, at i-discuss pa yan sa mga mini accountability groups. Okay? I-discuss pa yan sa mga boosters. Okay? Following? If you're following, please type number 14. Alright, thank you. Next, ito naman yung sinasabi kong phase 2. Ang phase 2 ng roadmap inside TBSA is from thriving bookkeeper to agency owner. So inside, parang ito yung parang post-master class training. Magtuturo kami ng mas advanced na. Okay, syempre hindi na yung basic. Actually, more intermediate. So, intermediate to advanced. Ito na yung mga strategies, paano ka pa mas makakuha ng client, okay, paano mo mas mag-grow yung clientele mo ngayon. So yun, building a pipeline for recurring clients, hiring and training your first team members, delegating tasks and quality control, creating a client onboarding SOP for your team. And then next is using advanced practice management tools. Next is marketing your agency with authority. Then protecting your business, the contracts and the compliances. And lastly is scaling sustainable with clear KPIs. Okay, so ayan yung mangyayari for phase 2. Okay? Okay? Next, bigyan ko pa kayo ng isang clear na expectation for TBSA post-masterclass roadmap. So, for post-masterclass roadmap, ito yung mangyayari after ng 8 weeks. Okay? Kasabay siya nung TBSA booster. Kasabay din ng mga accountability groups. So, talagang hindi kayo mauubusan, okay, ng mga training inside TBSA. Kung akala nyo, after 8 weeks, tapos na, hindi po. Inside TBSA, learning never stops. Okay, kaya po binabalik-balikan, may mga nagre-renew, may mga from old batches, nagre-retain, na kino-continue yung membership nila inside TBSA. Because yun nga rin po, sabi nga din po namin, during the enrollment that we update, ayan yung mga content inside. In fact, this one is updated for our roadmap. And this one for post-masterclass, may mga kulang pa nga dyan eh. Maraming nadagdag. So for post-masterclass, we have financial analysis statement. We have ChatGPT series. Okay. We have budgeting series. And then we have the booster rooms, level 1 to 4. And then we have the graduation. Ayan, kasi dati wala man 'to, eh, pero may mga ibang student na gusto po daw nila magkaroon ng graduation ceremony and yun nga, awarding of certificates and yung mga student na nag-excel. So, binibigyan po namin sila ng additional certification. Okay, so hindi dahil online tayo, hindi po natin paghuhusayan. Actually, mas kailangan natin paghusayan kasi yung mga taong makakasalamuha niyo inside Team SA, mga business owners din po sila. Pag nakita po nila yung mga potential nyo, hindi nyo po alam, tatap nila kayo at i-hire nila kayo. Okay, so ayusin po natin yung training inside PBSA. Next. So, syempre, we want to discuss din yung mga benefits na pwede niyong makuha because you are TBSA students for future workshops and events inside TBSA. So, we have this boot camp. Actually, medyo pinost namin to. But we have this boot camp. Hindi lang siya face-to-face. Pwede rin siyang online boot camp. So, ginagawa namin siya sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, we'll be posting further details about this. Next, we have Rise Up Online Mastermind. Dito naman, we specialize, yung training na to, it's about specializing in the field that you love serving. Okay? And with this one, we collaborate with other TBSA students din, na ngayon mga mentors na accountants and bookkeepers who greatly help clients with bookkeeping problems and challenges in a specific niche. Ano ba yung mga niches na yon? We have real estate. Sorry, hindi ko memorize lahat. But we have real estate, e-commerce, AU bookkeeping, US taxation, QB payroll, tama ba? Ayan, QB payroll, cleanup and catch up, mindset training, and then yung bago yung AI tools, paano natin mas maximize yung paggamit ng AI in bookkeeping and accounting or managing your own firm. QuickBooks, Xero, what else? And many more. Okay, medyo marami din tong RUL. So guys, admin, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung link sa mga gusto pang malaman kung ano ba yung RUL. Pwede nyo pong i-drop sa admin chat box. Right, so we also have this team building. Ayan, so ginagawa namin to once a year kasabay po nung mga event namin. Ayan, yung Virtual Bookkeeper Talks. So for the team building, it's a fun and meaningful activity where students, coaches, mentors, team leaders come together outside the usual class to bond, to connect, and to grow as a community. As you can see sa picture, yan po sa Baguio yung isa, yung sa taas, and sa baba naman is sa Tanay, Rizal. Ayan. So, next to be announced. Ayan. So, sana makasama po namin kayo. Ayan, batch 16. At mamit po po itong mababait, magaganda, at magagwapong mga nilalang. Ay, grabe po. Very down to earth po ng mga taong yan. Pero napaka-successful sa kanilang mga field. Ayan. Siyempre, kailangan din natin nag-enjoy. Balansin natin. Work-life balance. Next, okay? So, yun nga po kanina, I think discuss to, Ms. Rupa, yung ating student portal. So, kung may issue kayo sa access, email lang po, pbsa@shepherdaccountingsolution.com. Kapag may issue naman po sa payments, ayan, may papa-verify kayo, please email us at finance@shepherdaccountingsolution.com. And ito po yung ating link for student portal. Ayan. Admin, pakilagay yung link sa mga student dito sa ating chat box. Parang kanina may nagtatanong. Ayan. Sige, Mashaira. Planuhin natin ang Mindanao. Pero meron po yan sa Jansan. Last time, Jensen, no, Miss Alfie? Jensen Davao. Next, next naman is our basic troubleshoot. Ayan. So you have to check all sections of your email, including the inbox, the spam, and the promotion folders. Baka po may mga naligaw, mga hinahanap ko po yung welcome email, yung instruction po, paano makapunta sa Discord, paano makapunta sa Facebook group. Paki-check muna po yung mga inbox nyo, yung spam, or yung promotion folder. Minsan nasa social folder din po siya. So, paki-check na lang po. And then next is, okay, go to the website and log in using the credential provided in your email. So, kung di po kayo makapag-login, click forgot password. So again, if you have concern with the finance, okay, email lang po yung finance at Shepherd Accounting Solution. For student portal and admin concern, TBSA at Shepherd Accounting Solution. For marketing or collaboration, please email us at marketing@Shepherd Accounting Solution. Okay, again, next. So ito, basic process lang how to log in sa ating student portal. So, ayun nga, halimbawa kanina nakapag-login ka na, basta po ang gagamitin natin is yung email address, okay, na ginamit nyo po sa pag-enroll. Okay, yun po kasi yung na-enter, na input namin sa system. So, halimbawa, nagtatry kayo na mag-login using a different email address, hindi po yan magpo-push through. Unless magpapapalit po kayo ng email address. Again, if may concern sa access, email lang po at tpsa@shepherdaccountingsolution.com. Okay, kapag nakapasok na po tayo, you have to watch week 0. Then po yung welcome video natin. Okay, and para po mas mabilis ma-access next time, make sure to bookmark yung page. Okay, para nandun na siya sa taas ng mga laptop or PC. Okay, so yun po. Next, okay? So yung lesson na makikita nyo po sa access nyo is TBSA Masterclass Batch 16. And kung fully paid na po kayo, makikita nyo rin po yung bonus lessons. Okay? Ayan. Next, ito po yung mga other trainings na pinaprovide namin inside TBSA. So, such as like getting, keeping cleanup process, ROL, the QuickBooks, and Xero. So, as you can see, ayan, ito ano po to mga individual trainings na bawa, hindi naman kayo part ng TBSA. Okay? Kung TBSA na kayo, yung Xero and QuickBooks na sa loob naman, and client getting nandun. So, you don't need to purchase this. Okay? Pero if you want to get the bookkeeping cleanup and cleanup process, so, ayun, message lang kayo sa finance. If you want na ma-add to course na to sa access. Okay? And the RU. Kasi iba po ito. Right. Sige, discuss natin yung class rules. Okay, sige. Following back, please start number 15. Okay, so class rules tayo Siyempre magsiset tayo ng class rules kahit na online lang po ito. Number 1 is we have to be respectful. Yan, napaka-importante. We have to talk to coaches, leaders, members with respect. Whether sa email yan, sa Facebook yan, sa Discord yan. Because kindness goes a long way. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo po ng kindness, mag-plant din tayo ng kindness. And So next, we're giving everyone a chance, okay? So everyone here deserves to learn and grow. So let's support each other and make space for everyone. Okay? No bullying inside. Okay, next. Do not share your login. Your account is just for you. Sa'yo lang po yan. Please do not give your access to anyone else. Again, like I said kanina, yung sinabi din ni Ms. Rupa, natatrack po namin yan. Okay, so please, okay, make sure to secure your access and do not share. Log out when done. Ayan. Kasi po, di ba, dati, mga computer shop, yung iba kasi nagla-login sa computer shop. So, minsan nakakalimutan nilang mag-log out. Okay, nagagamit ng iba. So, make sure po na i-log out when done. Lalo na if hindi lang po you're sharing your laptop or PC with someone else. So, log out when done for your own safety, and always log out when you're done using the platform or the learning platform. Next, we have to keep everything private. Okay, all the lessons, the templates you see here are for your eyes only. Do not copy or share them. If anyone gets caught, legal action may be taken. And we don't want that. Okay po? Next, stay hungry to learn. Always be eager. Okay, guys? Be eager to learn more and lend a hand if you see someone struggling. Sabi nga kanina ni Ms. Rupa, we are family here. Again, pamilya tayo dito. Okay? Hindi hilaan pababa, hilaan tayo pataas. May kanya-kanyang client na designated for you. Okay po? Next, you have to take action and do not overthink. May draft ka dyan, may email ka dyan, hindi mo nasisend. Meron kang draft dyan, ang tagal-tagal mo nang gusto mo i-propose or provide, ipakita sa isang owner or isang partner, potential partner. But it's time for you this year, okay, to do what you have to do. And isa sa dapat nyo rin gawin inside the TBSA is to take action and not over. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng perfect moment. You just have to start. Progress over perfection. Again, progress over perfection. Kasi kung naghintay kami na maging perfecto kami or maging perfecto itong ginagawa namin or maging perfecto yung pag-deliver namin, baka wala rin po kami. And lastly, rest if you must, but don't give up. It's okay to pause and breathe. Just don't quit. You've got this. Kaya mo to. Kinaya namin, alam ko kakayanin mo. Kakayanin mo rin. Right? Sige, if it's clear, type number 16. Yan, lahat po ng ating live coaching session, it's recorded. So kung na-disconnect po kayo or kailangan umalis agad, pwede nyo siyang panoorin. Link. Next, routines. So, discuss lang natin. So, for the routines, it's learning in your own time and no pressure. Alam ko po na may mga full-time work yung iba dito at nakakapag-aral lang siguro sila after work or baka every weekend lang. Okay? So, walang pressure kung saan ka convenient, saan best for you to learn. Okay? Do it. We've designed TBSA program to run 8 weeks and you'll have a roadmap to guide you week by week. But here's the thing. You're free to go faster or slower depending on your schedule. Again, no pressure. What matters most is your effort. The more you put into learning and taking action, the better your results will be. And remember, no blaming others for yourself if things getting hard. Okay? If things gets hard or get hard, okay, walang dapat sisihin. Okay, we all move at our own pace. You just have to keep going. Focus, take action, and keep moving forward. Because playing the blame game is one of the most destructive human pastimes. When we blame others for our mistakes, we always lose. Ikaw yung talo. Okay? Kapag nag-blame ka na ibang tao, ang totoong talo, ikaw. Tayo. Okay? So, we need to be accountable with our actions. Okay? Yeah. Please type 17 if you're following. Okay. Next, activities. So for our activities, one purpose of this course is to blow the below objections out of the water. I don't have clients experience. I don't have certification. I don't know what to do. So kaya nga po namin ginawa itong TBSA program or TBSA Masterclass so that after the training, you'll have more confidence in providing service to your clients. Okay? You may not have the client experience, but nga, inside TBSA, we're gonna help you, we'll be exposing you with actual client books, audit walkthrough, case studies, and sample exercises. Okay, may tamang pagsagot. Tuturuan namin kayo insight. Kapag tinanong ni client, may experience ka na ba dito? May tamang way sa pagsagot kapag tinanong ka ni client. So, ang mangyayari nun, medyo i-divert mo yung sagot mo na hindi siya directly na no. May proper way of answering dun sa I don't have any experience. Okay, meron yan. Matututuhan niyo yan. Relax lang. Okay? And then, I don't have certification. After the masterclass, if you complete the training, meron ka ng certification. Okay? Kung sasabayan mo pa yan ng 0 and QuickBooks, 3 na yung certification. And then yung last is, I don't know what to do. Ang goal natin, after training, alam mo na dapat kung ano yung dapat mong gawin dun sa napili mo country na i-serve. Australia ba yan? UK ba yan? US ba yan? Okay? And then is, learn the tips and hacks to get 0 and QuickBooks Online certification. And then, yun nga, enhance your communication skills and increase your confidence in handling discovery calls. Ito yung pag-usap mo sa mga prospects. Okay, and then eventually, makaklose mo sila as a client. Yun, pag-handle din ng objections, pag sinabi niya, napakataas naman ang rate mo, bakit ganito, ganyan. Kapag may mga questions sila, paano sasagutin? Okay? Para mas malaki yung chance na ma-close mo yung client or close the deal. Alright, sige. If following, please start 18. Okay, thank you. Okay, so for the certificate of completion, meron tayong requirements, okay, to complete, to have the certificate. So basically, kailangan ma-kompleto yung ating training. And then, may guide naman. Yan, admin. Paki-share na lang din sa kanila kung paano makuha yung certificate of completion. So again, meron tayong requirements. Hindi siya basta-basta hinihingi dahil nakapag-enroll po kayo ng TBSA. Hindi po ganon. Dito po, inside TBSA, kailangan mong tapusin bago mo makuha yung certificate. Okay? Wala pong mag-a-advance na manghingi ng certificate dahil hindi po namin ibibigay unless kinumpleto mo yung requirements. Alright? Clear? Are we clear? Please type 20. Yes, 20. Skip natin yung 19. Okay. Nice, nice. Great. Alright, next. In Discord, kanina in-explain na rin ni Rufa, this is our communication portal para hindi po naliligaw kasi pag nasa Messenger, sabog-sabog yan at distracted tayo. So we have our exclusive communication portal which is Discord. So sa Discord, makikita niyo po yung job board, facts, knowledge sharing. Then dito sa onboarding, lalo na po batch 16 kayo, makikita niyo yung welcome. And then makikita niyo po dyan yung about, yung rules, yung directory, yung mga announcement natin. So may iba-ibang channel. May pwede nyo explore yan sa free time, no? And then meron din po tayong sariling chat room for batch 16. Ayan. So makikilala niyo po yung other students. Okay? Makipagkaibigan po tayo. Okay? Baka meron ibang mga single dyan. Dito nyo mahanapin yung the one. Ayan. So, ayan po. Batch 16. Meron kayong sariling chat. Okay? Next. For our accountability group, ito po ay isang additional benefit for TBSA student. So, ito po ay isang support group wherein meron po mga leaders na mga assigned for accountability group na mag-guide sa mga new batches. Okay? New batches and old batches per team. So, kung hindi kayo komportable na magtanong sa bigger crowd, itong mga accountability groups nyo po, yung pwede nyo pagtanong. Yan, mga smaller groups po sila. And wait lang po kayo, okay, sa email, kung ano yung mga groups nyo, kung saan kayo i-assign. Next is, yun po ang accountability group. And then may schedule pong ipopost kung kailan po ang accountability group. May Monday, may Tuesday, may Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So kung saan po kayo available. Okay? Next, who can be part of an accountability group? Well, napaka-easy lang naman po ng requirement. Kailangan po trainable. And of course, you must be willing to let go the know-it-all attitude. You have to let go yung ego and know the respect basics. Okay po. Ayan. So, ang binibuild po namin culture inside TBSA is a respectful culture. Bata ka o medyo may edad ka, lahat po pantay-pantay at may respeto sa isa't isa. Ayan. Hindi po dahil CPA or baka may mga matataas na degree na, hindi na po nakikinig sa iba. So, ganun din po sa iba na mas lalong wala pang masyadong certification, mas kailangan po nating makinig din po sa iba na maaring mas matagal na sa industry or may mas alam. Mahilig lang naman po, wala namang masama na. Nasa sa inyo naman kung ano yung i-absorb nyo at hindi nyo i-absorb. Okay? Respeto lang. So, respect, okay, is a two-way street. If you want to be respected, learn to show respect. And respect can be defined as thinking and feeling good things about a person. Also, it's treating someone in a way that shows them that you care about their well-being. So when you respect someone, you consider them as a person of worth. And ultimately, you appreciate their value as individuals. So showing respect is important for building healthy relationships. So lahat po ng ginagawa natin sa TBSA, training po yan. Kapag nakagka-client ka na. Siyempre, even our clients deserve respect. Diba po? So, Respect multiplies to get respect, so you have to give it. Respect builds trust, and this is what civilized people do. It makes others feel good when you respect them. It promotes good behavior and accept the rights of others to be themselves. Okay? And ito, napaka-importante din. Before you can respect others, you have to respect yourself. You can think positive about others if you don't think positively about yourself. Basically, a person that respect themselves will treat others the way they want to be treated. Respeto po ay mag-uumpisa sa atin. Okay po? So please type 21 if lahat is willing na mag-show ng respect sa bawat isa't isa. Okay, thank you po. So, ayan, kasi may mga iba na parang ayaw umattend ng mga accountability groups because of myths and misperception about support groups. Kasi yung iba, inisip nila na support group won't help them. Well, the truth is, they might not solve everything overnight, but you'll definitely pick up something useful inside. Plus, you'll feel less alone while working through stuff. Di ba? Mas okay naman. Kaysa sa wala. Next, okay? You'll be forced to tell your whole story. That's a myth. Well, the truth is, no. Okay? Kung hindi mo gustong mag-share, hindi mo kailangan mag-share. Okay? You're only gonna share if when you're ready. And it's okay to just listen at first. Another myth is, what if someone judges or attacks me? The truth is, good support group have clear rules. And everyone expected to be kind and respectful. So, no room for toxic vibes here. Okay? So, medyo toxic yan. Huwag kang mag-alala, may mga nagbabantay ng mga accountability groups. And pwede kayong mag-email sa amin. Okay, we will investigate your concerns. Next, okay? Another myth is they talking about my problems will make me feel worse. Yeah, ayaw mag-share nito ba? The truth is, actually, letting things out often feels like a big relief. So most people leave feeling lighter, supported, and more hopeful. Okay, sabihan mo muna. Diba? Baka minsan kailangan mo rin ng kausap. Okay? Ngayon, basically, tandaan niyo po sa TBSA, you're not alone. And support groups are safe space to grow, learn, and heal at your own pace. Okay? Yan, no pressure. Next, we have this progress check-ins. Sa mga accountability group leaders, meron kaming mga evaluations. And accountability group members, evaluation. So, ina-evaluate namin sila at ini-evaluate din po kayo ng mga team leaders. And so, accountability call team assignment, I think it will be assigned ayan, soon. Ayan, Monday, next week ata. So, please wait for further instruction. And within this week, so your team leaders are excited to meet you and guide you in this journey. So, medyo fina-finalize lang yung teams. So, bago namin sila i-release. Ikilala niyo po sila, huwag po kayong pagkalala. Ayan. So, yun, congratulations. You've decided to pursue your online freelancing journey. Okay, I'll pass it on to Miss Alfie for the last part of our welcome.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Shari. Ayan, kung nakasunod pa rin po tayo, kindly type 20. Ayan, thank you. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to introduce myself. So I'm Coach Alfie, so one of the coaches inside the Bookkeeper's Secret Academy. So me and Shari would like to say congratulations. Ayan, batch 16. So since you have decided to pursue your online freelancing journey. So I know some of you already started with a dream, okay, joining TBSA. So this time, meron na po kayong control, okay, of your time, your skills, and your future. Okay, by joining TBSA, so hindi lamang yung chasing income yung ating goal. So this is the first step for you in choosing freedom, growth, and the chance to build a life on your own terms. So gusto ba ninyo yun? Having that life on your own terms. Okay. So first is, remember, treat this course like a real course. So tell yourself, I'm going to work on this. So remember, guys, you have invested on this course. So kailangan po natin put dedication, commitment, and time. Okay? And then, be accountable. So having this course, no, always remember, take 100% responsibility. So when you set goals, I advise, guys, no, you journal your daily goals. Ano yung mga top 3 goals ninyo for this 2025? So meron pa tayong 6 months, right? So isulat po natin. Ano yung top 3 goals ninyo? So baby, yung top 1 goal ninyo ay makaklose agad kayo ng first online client. Okay, then write it. Okay? Have a notebook. Journal your goals. So make it a daily habit. And so you will be reminded. So that will also be your motivation. And don't forget to pair up with your fellow AC teammate. So, na-mention na po kanina ni Miss Rufa. Okay, so meron po kayong accountability group. So, abangan nyo po yan. Kung saan po kayong group mabelong. So you will have your team leader, your team AC mates. Okay, so hindi lang po, kumbaga pa, magkakaroon din po kayo dito ng mga online friends. Okay, so kailangan po natin yon para meron tayong kasama dito sa journey natin. Ayan. And then don't forget to attend accountability calls. Okay, so this is very important para meron tayong progress checker. Okay? And be proactive. So proactive in the sense na hindi na natin antayin yung mga instructions, kundi tayo na yung kusang magtatanong. Ayan. Okay? Kung merong mga unclear instructions, okay? So if you have any questions, ayan, mag-email po tayo or mag-message. Okay, next is plan ahead. So ready your daily and weekly routine. So kung meron pa tayong day job, ayan, so kahit 1 hour a day lang po yung i-dedicate natin, okay, for online learning. And then don't forget to monitor also yung email kasi magpapadala din po kami ng email for reminders, ayan. And then check also yung mga content na ipopost inside Facebook group, even yung sa Discord channel natin. Okay? So para malaman natin yung updates, especially yung mga weekly live training announcements. Okay? Then you can also add that one to your calendar. So meron naman po tayong Gmail. Okay? So add that to your Google Calendar. O yun sa phone, yan, para meron tayong marireceive na notification. Okay? So, kailangan i-plan ahead natin. Then, next is, use your time wisely. Yan. So, na-mention ko kanina, kahit 1 hour a day lang, okay lang yan. So, kung meron kayong work, at saka after work lang kayo, ayan, magli-learn inside your student portal, okay lang yan. So, doing it consistently is very important. So, hindi nyo naman kailangan na one time, big time, no? Kumaga pa, week 1, ayan, ubusin nyo na agad 4 hours. Hindi naman po. So, mas maganda, small steps with consistency. Okay? So, do one thing at a time. And reminder also, alamin natin, ano yung best time for us to learn? Okay. So, mabilis ka bang makapag-learn during morning, okay? Or during evening? So, hanapin nyo po yung proper body time rhythm ninyo. Okay, so like me, I'm a morning person. So, mas mabilis sa akin mag-absorb yung learning materials from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Okay? So, mas nakikilala ninyo yung sarili niyo, hanapin niyo yun. So, kung mabilis yung absorption nyo during evening, then do that one. So, kung mabilis naman kayo during morning, and then meron kayong day job, okay? So, pwede naman kahit 4 to 5. So, mag-set lang kayo, no? Alam niyo yan, okay? So, when is the best time for you to learn? And syempre, dahil binablock natin yung time, kailangan avoid distraction. So, wala mo ng Facebook during sa ating learning time. Okay? So, ano lang naman yung 1 hour, no? Okay? So, silent mode nyo. Or halimbawa, meron kayong free space. Iwan niyo yung phone sa room ninyo. Okay? So, avoid distractions. Kasi, pag wala tayong distractions, yan, makapag-deep thinking tayo. Okay? So, madali yung absorption. Para hindi masayang yung time. Since I've mentioned na rin, having that routine, so mag-set na kayo kung ano yung maging daily routine niyo. So, given na meron kayong day job or halimbawa, meron kayong 6 hours in a day na free. So, have that routine. So, kailangan kasi natin na meron tayong routine. So, parang rhythm lang din yan. Ano yung mga usual na dapat mong gawin in a day. Okay? And then, don't forget to take breaks. Ayan. So, importante yan. Okay? Nakasunod ba? Kindly type 21 kung nakasunod. Tapos na pala si 21. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Next is leverage your network. So, kung meron tayong accountability calls, no? So, this is a big chance for you to connect with your AC mates. So, kailangan din natin mag-reach out kasi mga kasama natin sila, no? Yung mga kaklase natin, ayan. So, this is a best avenue for you to build relationships with your teammates. Kasi pag mag-reach out tayo sa kanila, then let's say in the future, merong mga available na gig, no? Kahit part-time. So, maalala ka nila. Okay? So, kumbaga pa, be visible online. So, build relationships. So, this will be, or they will be your valuable partners online. And as I mentioned, kung meron tayong mga questions, may mga unclear instructions, don't forget to ask help. So, andito lang po kami. Okay? Ayan. Next is, okay, do not wait for the perfect time. So, do it now. So, let's focus on progress, not perfection. And guys, no, dahil nag-invest na tayo ng time at money joining TBSA, So we should take 100% responsibility. Okay? And avoid, I know that thing attitude. So alam ko marami na po dito sa atin, ayan no, may mga yung degree holder, ayan, yung mga nagmasteral na, yung iba nagdoctorate, okay? So since etong online bookkeeping career, no, and it's your first time to explore this one, so have that attitude and learn and relearn. So let's empty the cup. Mahirap kasi mag-absorb tayo na punong-puno na yung utak natin. So consider this a course, a new course na dapat pag-aralan natin. Okay? So avoid, I know that thing attitude. Okay, so eto, pinaka-importante, start doing the things you usually avoid daily. Ayan, so may mga activities na pinapagawa sa inyo, let's say, sending connection request, so it may be uncomfortable at first, but then you have to take action, okay? So the best way for us to learn is to take action. Dahil ginagawa na po namin ito and we believe na doing that one is good for you, okay? So kailangan mag-stop tayo ng overthinking. Just do it, okay? Stop quitting and start doing. So the small start is how you take back control. So like I said, one step at a time. So syempre, after learning, dapat i-apply agad natin. So it may be uncomfortable, we may feel scared, ayan, may mga challenges, but it's okay. So normal po yan sa learning process. So kagaya po ninyo, dyan din po kami nag-umpisa. Okay? So, ayan, gawin lang po natin. Take action. And don't forget to focus on your whys. Okay, so eto po yung magpapalakas sa inyo. Bakit niyo po ba ito ginagawa? Why did you join TBSA? Ayan, bakit gusto nyong mag-start ng online bookkeeping career? Okay? So, syempre, it could be because of your family, ayan, your parents, or kung single parent kayo, para po ito sa anak ko, dahil gusto ko na po siyang makasama, ayan, gusto ko pong masundan yung paglaki niya, okay, para wala akong mapagsisihan kung dumating man yung time, ayan. Or para ba ito sa sarili mo? Halimbawa, single ka, so gagawin mo ito for your self-improvement. Okay? So, ano ba yung malalim na dahilan? Kasi, may mga times na mawawalan po kayo ng motivation. So, hindi yan maiiwasan. Okay? So, pag mawalan tayo ng motivation or ma-discourage tayo, babalik tayo doon sa malalim na dahilan. Ayan. Yun yung paghuhugutan ninyo. Ano ba yung dahilan? Yung bakit ginagawa mo ito? Okay? So, focus on your whys. And don't forget to believe in yourself. Lagi ko itong sinasabi na dapat kayo po yung #1 fan ng sarili ninyo. So, believe na matatapos nyo ito, makakamtan nyo, at makapag-close kayo ng inyong first online bookkeeping client. Okay? And, ready na ba tayo? Okay, kung ready na tayo, ayan. So, tell us your name, where you are from, and your mission statement. Okay, so, sulat pa natin yan sa chat box. Ayan, so, parang first activity na ninyo to. Okay? So, let's do this together. As soon to be world-class bookkeepers. Ayan, for the batch 16. Now, to continue, ito po yung ating organizational chart. Okay, so we have Miss Shari, ayan, me, co-founder. Then we have Miss Rufa, okay, our OBM. Then we have also Miss Sam para sa ating social media management and Miss Fred para sa finance. And then kung nakapanood kayo ng Friday Pre-Story, we have our host si Miss LG. Okay? And for HR, we have Sir Aldrian Del Mundo. Okay. Para naman po sa ating instructors, okay, for the basic accounting, we have Sir Nelson Pagirigan. So he is also CPA. Ayan, more than 3 decades of total work experience. No? Ayan. So ma-meet nyo rin po si Sir Nelson. Then for client getting process, ayan, yung instructor po natin, si Miss Joyce Morta. Okay. Then we have also for the QuickBooks. So we have Miss Annalyn Eneria. Okay. And for Zero naman, so we have the Abelar partners, okay, si Miss Melona and Sir Nicky. Okay. So sila po yung magtuturo ng Zero. So ma-meet nyo po sila during booster sessions. So usually, yung booster sessions natin ay nasa week 7 or week 8. Ayan. Okay? So this is an in-depth training after the 8-week session. Yung ating live coaching calls. Okay? Yung ating booster. So we have levels 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and don't forget, after dun sa ating 8-week session, we have also post masterclass. So this is every Thursday at 10 a.m. So usually, mga topics nito, no? Additional topics after dun sa 8 weeks, could be clean up process, okay? Clean up series, okay? Using QuickBooks Online, okay? So that's free, ha? Okay. And then we have also financial statement analysis, budgeting series. Okay. So isa po yan sa maging post masterclass session natin. And meron din po tayong how to use the AI tools like ChatGPT. Okay. So ibibigay din po namin yan after the 8-week session. So that will be part of your post masterclass session. Okay? So, tuturuan din po namin kayo paano gumamit ng ChatGPT. Okay? So, it's not only for content creation, writing, but also sa ating financial statements. Ayan. And for accountability calls, so we will start our session this Monday. So, wait for further announcement. Ayan. So, coming from Ms. Rufa. So check and stay updated on your preferred AC schedule. So don't forget to stay on track and make progress together. So remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but from what you do consistently. Okay, so meron talaga ditong impact yung word na consistently. Kasi nasa season pa po tayo ng planting. Okay, I know you already understand yung principle ng planting and harvesting. So kung meron tayong itinanim, syempre, mai-harvest din tayo. Okay, so like I mentioned, ang importante lang dito ay araw-araw meron tayong ginagawa. Hindi yung one time, big time. Tapos after 4 weeks, wala na. No. Mas okay pa yung tuloy-tuloy. Okay? Kahit paunti-unti. So, do it consistently. Okay? So, the journey may be challenging, but the results will be worth it. So, alam ko, you might feel scary, may mga challenges, okay lang yan. So, like I said, every freelancer started exactly where you are right now. So it all started with one brave decision. And you have already decided, yan, joining TBSA. So kumbaga pa, take it as a challenge. take 100% responsibility. Pag lagi nyo yung iniisip, taking 100% responsibility. Okay, you own it. You have your control, your time, yan, yung commitment nyo, okay, yung investment mo, hindi lamang yung enrolling inside TBSA, but also your commitment. Okay, so you take 100% responsibility. Yan. So just to be clear. And small progress is still progress. Do not compare your progress with others. Yan. So buti pa siya, meron siyang 6 hours a day. Pero ang tanong nito, ginagamit niya ba ng maayos yung kanyang 6 hours? Okay, hindi mo rin yun alam, di ba? So mas mabuti na yung focus mo ay yung progress mo. Okay, so do not compare your progress, your success with others. Okay, so patuloy lang tayo. Keep pushing forward. Ayan. And see you on our next live coaching call this coming Saturday. So that will be our week 1. So that's 7 p.m. Okay, so this coming Saturday. So thank you guys and welcome TBSA batch 16. So if you have questions, okay, so pwede natin yan siyang i-type sa ating chat box.
Thank you so much, Miss Nancy. So, ayan, if meron pang mga questions na hindi nasagot, but I think most of the question ay nasagot na rin ng admin. Again, if you have, kung hindi natin ma-help yung mga may concern about access, Discord, ayan, pwede po kayong mag-email or mag-chat po sa atin. Ayan, Facebook. So, maganda po email para meron tayong trail dun sa mga concern niyo. Ayan, so, basa lang tayo dito, Miss Alfie, ng mga iba, mga ano nila. Sabi dito, over the next 2 to 3 months, I will equip myself with essential freelance bookkeeping skill by dedicating at least 1 hour daily to lessons, exercises, and practice files from TBSA program. Also connect to like-minded fellow bookkeepers in individual. Wow! Nice. Okay, Okay yan. Maganda po sinusulat, tama yan, para at least, di ba, we're making ourselves accountable dun sa mga sinasabi rin natin. And take note, ito pong ginawa natin tonight. This is a welcome call. It's our kick-off call. So officially, pag-uumpisa na po ang TBSA Batch 16. Congratulations po sa lahat nandito na. Okay, for Batch 16. So mag-uumpisa po ang week 1 this coming Saturday. Okay, Saturday po ang ating week 1. So as you can see, lahat ng diniscuss natin dito, it's all about setting expectation, class rules, preparation po for the upcoming weeks. Okay, para po at least clear tayo, we are all on the same page. Kung wala na po kayong concern regarding our discussion tonight, pero kung meron pa, let us know. Pero kung wala na, please type ano ba? TBSA Batch 16? Ayan, TBSA Batch 16. Or B16 para madali na lang. Sige. Officially, mag-start ang training ng July 19, week 1. Ayan. So ngayon po, it's all about welcome call, class rules. Ayan. Para at least sa Saturday, hindi na natin siya i-discuss. Okay? Every Saturday, 7 p.m. po yan. Unless may changes, nag-a-announce naman po kami in advance. With regards daw sa assignment, webinar, anything related for the batch, saan daw pinopost? Ms. Rufa.
Lahat po sa student portal. So, may mga times na mag-i-download po kayong files doon. And then, may mga times na doon nyo rin po makikita kung saan nyo ilalagay.
Yung mga ano daw, webinar announcements, saan daw nila marireceive?
Bale, lahat po ng platforms meron tayo. So, nag-announce kami sa Facebook chat, sa Discord, sa email. Kung mapapansin niyo po, napadalan ko din kayo ng email ngayon for the Zoom link. Lahat po yun. Sa lahat ng platforms, masasend niyo po. And then, emphasize ko lang po, dun sa Discord, under announcement channels, dun po lagi kami din nag-a-announce. So, para, may mga times kasi na natatabunan siya sa Facebook. So, much better na i-check nyo siya sa Discord announcement channel. Makikita nyo po yan, TBSA announcements. Nandun po lahat ng announcements natin. Also, just to add, yung Zoom link po natin ng 8 weeks ay same. So, pwede nyo na po din pong i-save yon. Same lang po. Once na nag-announce po kami, yun pa rin yung gagamitin natin for week 2 hanggang week 8. And also, para pa sa mga nahihirapan for Discord, actually, yung Discord, makikita nyo po talaga siya kung paano siya i-login sa student portal po natin. So, balikan nyo po siya, under siya ng week 0. And then, if you're not techie, we understand, you can send us a message or send us an email sa tbsa@shepherdaccountingsolutions.com para po mag-guide po namin kayo one step at a time.
Ganito rin pa para mas habang nandiyan din yung other participants. Okay lang ba na open mo yung student portal ngayon, i-share mo? Paano mag-log?
Ayan, sige, sure. Wait lang po Wait lang.
Then Fred, can you, or Rufa din, kaya mo na ikaw na lang, yung sample na email na marireceive nila para dun sa instruction, paano pumunta sa Discord, yung nare-receive kaya
Ayan, sige. I think nandito na to lahat. So, check po kung nakikita niyo yung aking email. I mean, ang aking screen. Nakikita naman po ba?
Yes po.
Yes, ayan. So, alright. So, these are the emails na ma-receive nyo. Number 1 is yung payment confirmation TBSA Masterclass course. And then, email number 2 is nandito na po yung guide on how to access the course. So, para po sa mga, alam ko po, hindi lahat ay alam kung paano ba mag-click ng link, ganyan. So, kapag nakikita nyo pong naka-blue siya, ibig sabihin, clickable po siya. Baka po hindi nyo po na-click, ayan. So, pag may nakita po kayo niyan, clickable po siya and automatically mapupunta po kayo doon. So, hindi ko po step by step ngayon, pero nandito po yung recording. Ako po yung gumawa ng recording na ito kung paano nyo po ma-access si student portal. And then, balik po tayo dun sa email. Nandito po yung click here to access the student portal. Usually, we encourage na i-bookmark nyo po ito. So, sa pinakataas, makikita nyo po yung parang star. Yan, bookmark this bar and then lagyan nyo lang po ng TBSA. Yan. And then save. Or done. Click done para po ma-access nyo po siya. Pasensya na po medyo marami yung folders ko dito. Kasi yan po lahat yung tinatrabaho ko. Pero technically, makikita nyo po siya. Lagay ko lang po dito Makikita nyo po siya as ganito. Pag kinlik nyo po yan at na-bookmark na po, automatically mapupunta po kayo dito. And then all you have to do is to sign up. So for example, the Shepherd Bob, kunyari lang po yun yung email ko, @gmail.com. And then yung full name. Wag nyo pong kakalimutan ilagay yung full name nyo kasi yung full name din po na nilagay nyo dito, yun din po yung magre-reflect na name sa inyong certification. So, yan. So, click proceed to check out. Yan, yung step by step na natin. So, alam ko po yung iba sa inyo nakaka-receive ng you've already purchased this offer. So, yung iba naman, view dashboard. Ayan. So, ang gagawin nyo po, babalik tayo sa email. And then, ibu-bookmark po natin yung page, which is itong next. So, pag click nyo po yan, automatically, lahat ng courses na in-enrollan nyo sa loob ni TBSA, makikita nyo po dito sa loob nito. So, hintayin lang po muna natin. Bagal po yung aking internet. Pero lahat po is makikita nyo dito sa all courses. So, as you can see, nakita nyo na po. So, yung iba dito kasi is pang team leaders, yung iba naman pang 30-day challenge. Yan. So, automatically makikita nyo po yung TBSA Masterclass Batch 16 and TBSA Masterclass Batch 16 bonus lessons. So, pag kilik nyo po ito in library, yan. Automatically po mapupunta kayo sa ating student portal. Ito po yung tinatawag nating student portal. Ayan. So, nakita niyo po dito, start course. So, pwede niyo na pong i-start. Yan. So, there are a lot of types ng lessons. Sometimes video type siya. Ayan. Sometimes text lang siya. So, for example, ito video. So, all you have to do is to watch this video. And don't forget to click mark as complete. Para po nakikita namin yung progress nyo back end kung nakompleto nyo na po yung lesson. And then, the next is next lesson. So, automatically, magpo-proceed po siya sa next lesson. Ayan. So, for example, ito, yun nga, different type of lessons. Ayan, may memorandum of agreement. And then, share ko lamang po. Please download. So, pagka may nakita po kayong please download, punta po kayo sa upper bottom. Nandito po siya. Memorandum of Agreement for TBSA Student PDF. So, may click or, sige, palakihan ko na lang po. Meron dito parang download. Ang ibig po sabihin ng icon na ito ay download. So, i-click nyo po ito and then magkakaroon po kayo automatically ng file sa loob ng computer nyo or ng laptop. Again, don't forget to mark as complete. Ayan. So, next lesson hanggang sa ano. So, there are links na clickables. Again, may click may mga lessons po na may kailangan kayo i-click. So, for example, ito naka-blue. So, kailangan niyo po siyang i-click. Automatically, mariredirect po kayo kung saan namin po kayo pinapapunta. Ayan. I think that's it. If may questions pa kayo about sa portal. So, for example, ayan, video siya. And then, sabi dito, comment, I am ready to win this. So, pwede nyo pong i-comment. May power kayo to comment dito. And then, i-copy-paste nyo lang as instructed dun sa lesson and then comment. Yan. So, mapapunta po siya dito. And ang makakabasa po niyan ay instructor lamang. Kami lamang po ang makakabasa. So, nakikita po namin. Sorry.
Po. May nagtatanong dito, kung ito daw pong recording natin tonight, saan daw po masisig?
So, bale, balik tayo sa products. Kung makikita nyo, may week 0 and week 1. Sa pinakadulo po, lalagyan na namin ng live coaching replays. So, doon nyo po mapapanood lahat ng replays. Sorry, dito. Mapapanood nyo po yung replays dito. Automatically, once na the-download na po namin yung recordings, pwede nyo na po siyang mapanood. Wait ko lang po din yung aking announcement kasi there are times na yung recordings is medyo matagal siya mag-upload. Ayan. Pero rest assured na ina-upload po namin siya dito. So makikita nyo week 0, week 1. Later makikita nyo na rin po yung week 2. And then sa baba po ng week 2, makikita nyo na rin po yung live coaching replays. So doon nyo po siya mapapanood.
Yan. So, we want to clarify lang, lahat ng mga training inside TBSA Batch 16, hindi po natin makikita yan sa YouTube. Kasi nga po, nagbayad kayo sa lahat ng mga recordings natin, nandito po sa student portal. Yung mga nasa YouTube po namin, mga free resources. Anything to add, Ms. Rupa, Ms. Alfie?
Ayun. Siguro po gusto ko makita, please type B16 again kung clear po sa inyo on how to navigate yung ating student portal. Ayun. Yung sinabi ko po na i-bookmark, paki-bookmark niyo po 'yon kasi yun po talaga yung kailangan niyo para makapasok po kayo ulit. So kung makikita niyo po dito sa email, balikan ko lang po saglit 'no. Yung makikita niyo po sa email na 3, yan po talaga yung actually yung email po namin noon hanggang 5. 3 hanggang 5. Pero ang ginawa po namin ngayon, sinummarize po namin siya para anytime mababalikan niyo po na paano gamitin, paano i-access, at ano po yung ibo-bookmark niyo. Summarize na po yan, yan po lang yung lagi niyong babalikan. Ayun po.
Okay, so I guess wala ng questions. So again guys, hintayin nyo na lang po na medyo may time kasi yung pag-export ng mga recordings. Ayan, so after this, exporting and then na-upload din naman sa student portal. So makikita nyo na po yan, hopefully hanggang bukas for the recording. So ayun, thank you so much for your time. So, kita-kits po tayo sa Sabado. Sa mga nagtatanong, pwede na po bang umpisahan yung week 1? Of course, pwede na po. Week 0, week 1, and then i-unlock na yung week 2, no, Miss Rupa? Yan, week 2. Sa mga
Yes.
mabilis, pwede nyo na rin aralin yung week 2 in advance. Ayan. Alright, and then ready nyo po yung mga question nyo for week 1 this coming Saturday. Alright, thank you so much guys, and God bless you. See you sa Saturday. Thank you, Miss Alvin, Miss Pupa, Sam, and